how are you doing today? I hope you are doing well wherever you are watching this video from. Thank you so much for coming again to watch my content. I don't take it for granted. And if you are just new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Welcome to this family. You're gonna enjoy here, right here, because I normally give you good content, so wonderful content, and I'm very sure you're gonna enjoy being here. So please make sure you subscribe. And before we start this interesting video, please guys, like this video. Kindly like now, like. Have you liked? I hope you have liked, because today I feel so happy. I'm so happy. I thank God. Can you see I'm happy today? It's not like other days. Today I feel so happy because God has done it. God has done it, and I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. I thank God. Today is a beautiful day. Today is on Thursday. So I'm shooting this video at around 11:45 a.m. So this is the time I'm shooting this video, and it's going to go live before lunchtime. Okay, so I'm very sure you're gonna enjoy what I'm going to share to you today, because I feel so happy. So happy. So it's like this. I got featured on YouTube, official YouTube page, official YouTube channel. The owner of YouTube featured me on their content. They had a campaign there, and they requested me. I think it was January. They requested me. They requested me to be featured on their campaign. The campaign is called Clean with Me project, Clean with Me campaign. So they requested me in January, and then I accepted. So we signed some documents, and then we did some few things there. And guess what, guys? I was featured, and the video went live yesterday. They told me it will go live at on 20th of this month, that is March. But that is the official launch of that. Is it launch? No, they launched it yesterday. The video is already live. They are shining brighter than diamond. I think I'm the first Kenyan to be featured by YouTube. I feel so happy. I feel so happy, guys, because I have not seen something like that before. You see, appearing on YouTube itself. YouTube itself. I will leave the link on the of YouTube on the comment section, so that you can go and see your girl is shining worldwide. That video, it's live. It's live worldwide. The whole world is watching Lucia Zerane. It's not a long video. It's just a short clip. They have put like 2 clips of mine and other creators who do content like me. And I felt so good seeing myself on the official YouTube itself channel. Yeah, the channel is, I think it has the YouTube itself, it has 45 million subscribers. Oh my God, I feel so happy, and I thank God that I think I'm the first Kenyan to appear there. Or am I the first African to appear on YouTube? Can you tell me on the comment section? Have you ever seen somebody being featured by YouTube itself? Comment down there and tell me. And tell me if I'm the first one or I'm just dreaming. So I feel so happy. I knew from January I will be featured. That's why I kept quiet, because I did some agreements here and there. And then here I am now sharing with you the good news. So let me show you where I'm shining. Can I show you? Okay, just check the video and see how your girl is shining worldwide. we were collaborating with different creators of Clean With Me community, and most of them are from United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, and I'm from Kenya, Africa. So I'm not the black one, but the other black, it's from, I don't know, it's from United States, so I'm representing Africa. You see, I'm so happy today. Yeah, yesterday and today I'm so happy. So can you go and see the why your girl is shining? Let me show you the clip. Huh? So guys, I am in the official YouTube channel page. It has got 42, it's not 45, 42 million subscribers, and this is the official YouTube channel's page. And as I told you, the video went live I think it was yesterday, 15 hours ago. So it right now it has got 68,000 views, and let me show you where the girl is. So this is the video. Can you hear? Yeah.
Koreans value the floor.
I'm just going to show you where I am because of the copyright. Yeah, where I am, so that you can see. Yes, I think it's right there.
The traces of yesterday disappear and a new day begins. So no matter how tired I am the night before,
That's your girl.
I always wash the dishes before going to bed.
Have you seen me? Okay, they have two clips of mine. The other one, it's right there. Let me show you. The other one, it's right, I think it's there.
Community where everyone encourages one another and shares their tips, and I think that's really lovely.
Okay, let's wait and see where I am. So I'm just going to leave the link of this video so that you can go and watch me there and see how I am shining. Also, and also they have put our links there. These are the featured creators. The featured creators are here. Can you see my name? Can you see my name? Yeah, I am right there. I'm right there. Can you see my name? This is my link to my YouTube channel. This one. Yes, that's Lacia Zilani. They are shining brighter than diamond. So these are the creators that were featured on this video. Thank you so much, YouTube, for giving us that opportunity to shine. So right now, this video has got 70,000 views, and it is doing well. All right. I hope you have seen where I'm shining, and it's good to be happy because some things happen once in a while, and I'm lucky to represent Kenya. So thank you so much, YouTube, for giving me that opportunity to shine worldwide. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. I wanted to update you on that because it's a good thing to update you. It's good to update you because you have been there from the start with me when I started this channel and until right now. Thank you so much. May God bless you wherever you are. Keep watching, keep liking, just like, keep liking. I encourage you every day to like the video, to comment, comment and liking. That's the best way to support creators because we put a lot of work creating content just for you to watch and enjoy. And the best thing to support is liking. You first like, and then you do what? You comment. Okay, that's the best way. It helps the YouTube or algorithm to reach the video, to reach a lot of people. So engagement matters. Okay, bye guys. I have my kids there. Alvin is not feeling well, so from here I'm going to the hospital to take him to the hospital. All right, so bye. See you on the other one. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to